Do you know someone that's recently engaged? I have the perfect DIY gift for them. Here's everything you will need to get started on this craft. I will also link each item in the description below. Now let's get started. For the groom's glass, it will say I asked. We are going to be using the font Magnolia Sky. It's one of my favorites. We're going to center the words and also decrease the letter space. We're now going to weld each letter together and space them closer together so that they fit perfectly on the glass. For the bride's glass, it will say I said yes with an exclamation point. We're going to edit the exclamation point in just a bit. We're going to do the exact same thing. Decrease the letter space, weld them together, and space them closer together as well. Now we're gonna edit the exclamation point. What you're gonna do is take any shape, cover the period, because that's what we want to get rid of, use our slice tool, delete the shape and the period, and we're gonna add in a ring. I think this just makes the cup look so much cuter. We'll use this one. Now we need to size it to what fits best. I think that looks great. I'm gonna attach everything and weld it together. And now we're gonna cut our vinyl. And here we go. Once our vinyl's cut, we're going to weed the design and use transfer tape to place the vinyl onto the glass. I just eyeball it, but if you have transfer tape with grid lines, it makes it so much easier. You start from the middle and you push out onto the edges one by one, and I go over it with my fingers first, and then I use my squeegee. You want to be very gentle so that you don't scratch the glass, but also apply enough pressure to where it sticks. That one was a piece of cake. Now on to the brides. Place our transfer tape over, use the grid lines to help align it. Use your squeegee to get the transfer tape to pick up the vinyl. There we go. Now apply it to your glass just like before. Eyeball it. You want to start by pressing the design down from the center. Once again, work your way out, one side at a time, making sure to firmly press down each letter. Then we use our squeegee once again. And slowly peel back the transfer tape. If for some reason one of the letters comes up with the transfer tape, it's an easy fix. Just press it back down, go back over it with your finger or a squeegee, and pull the transfer tape down from a different angle. There we go. Now to glitter the bride's glass. You're going to want to use painter's tape, and I use a squeegee to try and get the bottom of it pressed against the glass as best I can so that the Mod Podge does not bleed through. So I go all around the glass with the squeegee. And then once I think it's okay, I take my dishwasher safe Mod Podge and I apply a generous coat. Now to add the glitter, we're going to take extra fine glitter. I'm using gold to match the writing, and we're going to generously apply it all around the glass. You want to get every single part where the Mod Podge is. I also use a piece of foil, as you can see below. This way, as soon as I am done with the glitter, I can just pour it back into my container to reuse. Now, once you have the glass covered in glitter, you're going to want to remove the tape before the Mod Podge dries, because if you wait, it can possibly pull up some of the glitter with it, and you don't want that. Now we allow this to dry. To seal it, we go ahead and add another coat of Mod Podge. We cover all of the glitter, like so. What this does is it seals in the glitter so that it doesn't fall off. And then once we're done with that, we allow that to dry, and we are all done.